In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma Boolean variants in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just stepping into the world of digital design, mastering these tools will greatly enhance your ability to create complex interface designs efficiently. To start, make your way to the Figma website. Figma stands out as a collaborative interface design tool, allowing you to work seamlessly with your team from anywhere. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on the login button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for those of you who are already members, simply enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Figma home screen. On your home screen, it's time to navigate to the design section. This is where the magic happens and where you have all the tools at your disposal to bring your creative ideas to life. Once here, locate the variables tab and click on it. Variables in Figma are powerful features that allow you to maintain consistent elements across your design, making your workflow not only faster but also more organized. Now, with the Variables tab open, you need to create a variable. You'll do this by clicking on the Create Variable button. This feature is especially useful when dealing with components that repeat throughout your design, such as styles or states, and setting variables ensures you keep everything consistent as your project scales. Having created your variable, we move on to assigning it a Boolean. Boolean variables are essentially true or false values that can be used to toggle states within your design. The beauty of using Boolean values lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. By clicking on the Boolean option, you are setting your variable to either on or off, allowing you to easily switch states without the hassle of redesigning components for each state change. These steps streamline the design process, saving you time and making the task of managing multiple states much simpler. As you become familiar with creating and using Boolean variables, you'll realize how much they can help in maintaining clean, efficient, and scalable designs. It's like giving your design project a set of dynamic switches that you can use anytime. Mastering Boolean variants in Figma is a vital skill for any designer looking to elevate their workflow efficiency. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on repetitive tasks. I hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!